The third index law that we're going to look at is called the power of a power. So let's have a look at an example. If I have x squared and then I cube that whole thing, I'm going to again look at this in expanded form, so just to make sure that you understand what these numbers are doing. So if I've got x squared but I am cubing that, that means I want to see this x squared 3 times. So it's going to be x squared multiplied by x squared multiplied by x squared. Now, those of you that are confident with what we've been doing, you'll just go, oh, now this is like law number 1, and now I can go straight to my answer. X is going to be to the power of 2 plus 2 plus 2, and I get my answer of x to the power of 6. Those of you that were not sure, you might think about it this way. You might go, okay, x squared, that's x times x. So I've got 2 x's there. I've got another 2 there, so that's 4 so far. And then I've got another 2 here. So, oh, now I'm up to 6. And you might then go straight down to here. This way where we add the indices, though, is a very efficient way of doing it. Now, when I look back at these numbers up the top here, what do you notice when I grab this 3 and I multiply it with that 2? They equal 6. So this particular law, we can do a multiplication. So I can set it out like this. So if I have x squared to the power of 3, or x squared cubed, then I can simply write this using our third law. It would be x to the 2 times 3. Which again gives us x to the 6 straight up. So let's summarize that law. So law 3 is, if I just do any letter, a to the m, and then raise that to a different power, to the n, then that is going to equal whatever a is, and then we're going to multiply those indices, m times n. And so that law there is law 3. This links really nicely to exercise 3.1, question 3, and that's still on page 138. So now we can launch into questions that revise that particular law. Again, just to get lots of practice, we're going to look at doing the first and third columns. So hopefully that is enough to get you on your way. Remember, if you want another example, I'm more than happy to come and see you individually and give you that example just to make sure you are on the right track. All the best.